Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to authorize please try again on TikTok. So guys, when you want to log in your TikTok with Facebook or Gmail or any another platform and facing this issue again and again, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you have to open your settings, make sure that you have connected with Wi-Fi. So guys, if not, you need to connect it first, and guys, after doing this you need to go back, scroll it below, click on general, and guys, click on iPhone storage. And after this you need to scroll it below, click on TikTok, and guys, you need to offload your TikTok app. As you can see, simply you have to offload and reinstall again from App Store. And guys, after doing this you need to go back, and guys, you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any kind of VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this you need to go back, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and guys, you need to reset your network setting. And after doing this you need to check for software update. So guys, if you have any kind of update here, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you have to open your App Store on your iPhone. And guys, after this here you need to search TikTok. As you can see here, I am going to search here TikTok. And guys, after searching your TikTok, you need to update your app if not updated. As you can see here, I have an update. So guys, simply you need to update your app. And guys, after doing all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.